Hello everyone, let us learn how do bean plants grow. Let's start with me. First stage is seed stage. The life cycle begins with a bean seed. Inside the seed coat, there is a tiny plant embryo waiting to grow. When the seed is planted in the soil, it absorbs water. Adequate warmth and oxygen trigger germination. The seed coat splits open and the radicle emerge. Next stage is germination. The seed sprouts. It sends out a little root called radicle that serves as its anchor. The shoot grows up in the sunlight. It's like the plant saying, "Hello world." Now we have a baby bean plant. It has leaves and stems. The roots keep growing down, looking for water and nutrients. Then comes maturation stage. After 6 to 8 weeks of germination, the bean plant reaches full maturity. Beautiful flowers bloom, signaling that the plant is ready to reproduce. Insects such as bees and butterflies visit these flowers. They transfer pollen from one flower to another, enabling fertilization. The last stage is fertilization. When pollen lands on the female part of the flower, it triggers the formation of a pollen tube that grows into the ovary. Once fertilization occurs, the ovule develops into a seed, complete with a food source and a protective seed coat. This successful fertilization ensures the next generation of bean plants. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.